Hello! Today's video I'm going to be showing you a basic relationship between a firewall router and a local firewall. And so a predominant and primary concept in security is that we should have firewalls around everything, around our entire network, around our local hosts, inside that network. Uh, and within that concept, we actually have to manage the flow of traffic. And so I'm going to show you a very basic relationship between a firewall router, which in this case I'm going to be using a pfSense, and a local firewall, which I'm going to be using on a Ubuntu machine. All right, let's head on over to the pfSense machine. So according to the diagram that I showed you, I've got a Kali machine, a pfSense machine, and a Ubuntu machine. And the Kali machine is on the LAN network, and the Ubuntu machine is on the opt1 network. Okay, and the pfSense machine is doing that firewall control, and it's also doing the routing for us. So let's take a look at our rules. Internet, but this is the one that I really care about today. So basically what this rule is saying is that I can send from my LAN network, any machine on my LAN network, on any port, towards our opt1 network on any port. So basically, I can send a ping to opt1. That's what that firewall rule says. Let's go try and ping the machine that we know 50.11 on that network on opt1. So according to pfSense, this traffic is allowed through. And as you can see, it's hanging. It's not actually doing anything. So I'm going to cancel that. And let's head over to the Ubuntu machine. Let's see what we've got going on over there. So right away, you can see I've got firewall D set up. My default zone is my test zone here. And in our permanent settings, if I were to take a look at some of the basics, so I have all I've got turned on for this is its default target, and what that is I've set it to drop. Okay, so whatever comes at this machine, this firewall is just going to drop it, and that's okay. That's what I've asked it to do. But let's go and let's change it. Let's set it to accept and hit OK. Because it's firewall D, we're going to reload, and we're still in permanent. Let's go back to our Kali machine, and we're going to do the exact same process. And all of a sudden, our pings are allowed through our ICMP traffic. Okay, so that's the difference between drop and accept. That's the relationship that we have between here. The firewall router, it's saying that traffic is allowed through, and it did it, but as soon as it got to the firewall here, it blocked it. And so in a later video, I'm going to show you how to be a little bit more specific on this end here on the local firewall to allow specific traffic from certain machines. Okay. All right. Thanks, everybody. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. All right. Bye.